Hey guys, I am so excited to be telling you about this app that I have called Sendmeglobal. So we might get too busy and not have time to travel and meet our family. However, sending them gifts can always put smiles on their faces. The high cost of shipping has discouraged many from sending gifts to families. So the way this works is that you connect with travelers that are ready to deliver your luggage cheap and fast. You're able to connect with locals at your holiday destination and also make more friends. You can ship your luggage through verified travelers, and on top of that, you can get registered now for free, and there's no automatic subscription, so you only subscribe if you want. Now, Sendmeglobal is safe to use because both travelers and people that want to send items on Sendmeglobal are verified, and it's not many places you find that. So only verified users are allowed to carry out transactions on Sendmeglobal. There's so many different things you can use. You have your dashboard, you're able to see your actual account, make adjustments to your account, add your photo, and so much more. So go ahead and download yours ASAP because this is something that you do not want to miss out on.